T'es prête, Chacha?
Yes.
Ok, alors c'est parti. To create is to be able to see in the dark, and with focus, bring light onto what has been overlooked, fusing all the ideas together to create something complex and sophisticated. We took the utility of a vintage doctor bag, the beauty and comfort of a contemporary tote, and created our own synthèse. We are proud to bring you Doc Quintin, a spacious and well-organized bag with a classic form and a feminine chic.
It's a hybrid with extra versatility and comfort built in. Hold it, wear it, over the shoulder or on your back. Designed to flatter your silhouette. Be yourself with it. On the top, our signature pure brass clasp opens to reveal the main compartment for a fast and full view. Inside, Doc Quintin is optimized for organization. Each pocket has an intended purpose to keep your essentials safe. Outside, 2 additional pockets for easy access for your phone, keys, and other small items.
The Doc is built to last, handcrafted from cork oak skin and brass hardware, backed up by Laflore Paris guarantee.
In addition, we have taken great care in designing accessories that will fit perfectly in Doc's proportion. Retractable rings provide customizable looks with alternative bamboo handles and an exterior pouch. A case for your camera or other valuables, a computer case, and compression cubes for an overnight stay. Doc Quintin has been in the making for years, and after 4 successful campaigns and over 30,000 happy customers, we invite you to join us and see this hybrid of a bag come to life.